So right now I'm here at the NVIDIA suite. They just announced brand new RTX Max-Q cards, the 2070 and 2080. I'm gonna show you every single laptop that's being announced with them in the current future. So what you're getting is pretty much the typical laptops that we saw last year in terms of design and form factor, but with more powerful graphics cards. So like over here, for example, this is the MSI GS65. Last year, you could only get this with the GTX 1070. And because it had a GTX 1070, the TDP in those cards were anywhere from 90 to 110. This year, they reduced the amount of power to anywhere between 80 and 90. So theoretically, you're gonna get much better cooling. In terms of performance, all of these laptops should be running 20 to 30% faster with RTX off, and of course with DLSS off. Now, obviously things will change when there's more RTX enabled games, but that's the kind of speed difference you can see now from the previous generation. Now, other laptops, one of my favorites over here is the Razer Blade 15. Right out of the box, the more expensive model is coming with an RTX 2080. Now, eventually down the road, you'll see a version with the RTX 2060, but for now, you can actually pick one up with the more powerful one. We have the Alienware M17. This is also coming with the 2080. Over here, the Asus Rog Zephyrus S. Now, this was a fan favorite of a lot of people because of its thin form factor. So it's pretty impressive that you can actually fit an RTX 2080 in a laptop this size. So that will be available as well. Now, finally, on this side of the table, we have the Acer Predator Triton 500. They've managed to take the funky mouse pad away and give it more of a streamlined look. This is also gonna have an RTX 2080. Now, a lot of you were disappointed that I didn't review the Aero 15 last year. A lot of you were saying it was the best laptop of 2018. Well, this is also coming with an RTX 2080. Over here, we have a Clevo design. And for those of you unfamiliar with Clevos, this is basically a production company that basically builds the chassis, puts together the components, and then other companies like Origin, for example, or even MSI will take that chassis, put in their own parts, redefine it, put their own logo on it, and sell it. So again, you're gonna be able to buy this with the 2080, and this is the type of form factor you're gonna get with specific laptop manufacturers. Now over here, we have the Thunder Robot. I have no idea where this company's from, but they're one of the new upcoming companies coming from Asia. As you can see here, there's a resemblance to a certain laptop manufacturer. And in the corner, we have a Omen by HP. This is the Omen 15. I reviewed this last year. It was a great product. So now you can actually get it with an RTX 2070. So big improvements to the GPU lines. They're gonna be running cooler. They're gonna be running more efficient. I'm gonna have reviews on all of these laptops or some of these laptops with the latest RTX cards. So hit me up with your questions in the comments below. Like the video if you liked it. Stay tuned for more coverage at CES 2019, and I'll see you guys in the next video.